Today, we'll show you how to install a mini chandelier, the best LED light ever.
We replaced our old fixture with a touch of modern luxury on a budget.
It was time to replace the standard 2-bulb light fixture that really didn't give off enough light in the room.
Our daughter picked out this mini chandelier for her room makeover because she wanted a little sparkle and glam.
It turned out that everything was in the box except for the light bulbs.
Light bulbs were not included, but it showed how many watts were needed.
So we went back to the store on a different day and picked up a pack of B11 Daylight Bright LED candelabra light bulbs.
Look at those, that's pretty.
The crystals are organized into groups on the mounting plate.
There's a B, and then these are the C's.
Our daughter really likes the bling. And if you like it too, check out how we added bling to her curtain, doorknobs, and dresser.
Links to the room makeover playlist are in the description below.
It's dark.
That's because I turned off the electricity at the circuit breaker before starting the project. Doing this beforehand can keep you safe while removing the old light fixture. You can always add more lighting by plugging a cord in a different room for your other light source. After we removed the old base, we unscrewed the copper ceiling wire from the copper fixture wire, the white neutral ceiling wire from the white fixture wire, and the black ceiling hot wire from the black fixture wire. Basically, we just took them all apart.
The old one. Alright.
So it has this, and this. So we keep those all together. So we're just doing black on black, white on white, and copper on copper. I'm gonna twist these like this.
What does that do?
It helps it when I put the caps on, it helps it so it's not shredding like that. The next thing we did was remove the screws that attached the old base to the ceiling. You can use the new screws that came with the chandelier to attach the new mounting bracket to the ceiling. Make sure that it is tightly screwed in the center of the electrical box.
This chandelier mounting plate is pretty light. It doesn't have a hook attachment like this heavy LED fan that we installed in our son's bedroom that allows you to use both of your hands.
To easily install it, twist the copper ground wires together and cover them with an orange wire connector. Twist the black hot wires together and cover them with an orange wire connector. Now twist the white neutral wires together and cover them as well.
Now you can push all of the wires up into the electrical box in the ceiling. Then attach the mounting plate and use the center pin to tightly secure it.
Now you can give it a nice shine to remove the fingerprints.
Okay, so now we are adding the crystals to our new chandelier. All right, the first crystal. And let me show them the hook real quick.
The hook.
See the little hook?
It hooks right down.
Let's try it.
Yes, did it!
Yay!
I did it!
These crystals are made of a highly reflective glass and are very easy to install.
I think this is perfect for a little girl's room.
It is.
This is like her very first chandelier.
Ever.
It's always nice to have a little family fun when you DIY.
We were so glad to find LED daylight candelabra light bulbs. This clearance light fixture uses 5 bulbs, but we found one on Amazon with 4.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Oh my gosh!
It's so cute.
Wow!
This was the most beautiful mini chandelier we had ever seen. It was the perfect luxury touch for her room makeover.
We hope that this inspires you with your home updates. If you want to see more DIY, click on one of these and we'll see you in the next video.